Get that sleazy sound up a little bit more, please. Yes, we're still just raw. There you go, baby. Give me volume like you mean it. Good evening. Welcome to the second half of today's entertainment. I'm your hostess at your lunch. And you know, some days I just long to be the laziest bitch in the whorehouse. And I mean, can't you see me now? Legs spread wide, lucky strike dangling from my cock-stained scarlet lips, eyes on the alarm clock. Every somnambulant pulse reminds me that eventually my funeral march will be a century-long samba littered with hundreds of dead soldiers who had come to soil my battlefield. All those young boys who had banged into me like bullets fired at point-blank range. I'll remember how they anointed me, with the hot molten lead like common blood. Or maybe I'm just dreaming, or maybe I'm just too... I have to admit, I wish I was a little bit higher. And when I am high, I can see it now. My eyes heavy with cocaine, MDMA, ecstasy, ketamine, marijuana, cognac, cannabis. And I'll just be thinking, oh shit, another fucking wasted day. I mean, some days are meant to be wasted, right? Some nights, like tonight, are meant to be wasted. Hey, some fucking decades are meant to be wasted. I mean, I saw the best minds of my generation scoring dime bags on Avenue D, puking and passing out. Their genius inseparable from their disease. But let's not waste any more fucking time tonight.